Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we will talk about how we can trade the fake out. So I was waiting for this kind of setup for some times in order to teach you guys how we can identify the fake outs and how we should be trading them. Anyways, we got this setup last week, so I decided to make a video on that. So anyways, we can see that here on we are on the GJ 30-minute time frame. So we can see that the price was created a high here. We came down, created a low which is higher than the previous low, so created a higher low. Then we broke this high, created a new higher high, right? So basically we had a bullish market structure at this point of time. We created basically this was a resistance at one point of time here. Also we could see we had this support, resistance, then we had support. So finally what happened, we get this bearish candle close below the support. Although we had the bullish market structure here, but we got this candle close below the support, and we had the clean range on the left hand side, so price should have gone down. But what happened, price didn't go down. As we can see here, the next candle closed bullish above this level. So we are bullish on the 30-minute time frame, making higher highs and higher lows. We got a one candle bearish close below the support in opposite direction to our trend, and then we get the next candle close back into the range. If we see historically, once we form support, we were going down, we form support, we bounce to the upside. So here as well, we close bullish, we move to the upside, close bullish, move to the upside. So this time again, if we are closing bullish above this level, there is a pretty high probability we will continue going to the upside. Also, we could see that we are already making higher highs and higher lows. So now if we get a candle close above this level, there is a pretty high probability price will go at least to retest the previous high created. So here we can see that we got faked out here, right? So anyways, how we will be taking our entry. So once we get a candle close back into the range like this candle, right? So this should be our entry. Once we get this bullish candle close, the opening of the next candle, and once that new candle break the high of this previous bullish candle, that is our entry. The target is right here, which is the previous high of this uptrend. And in terms of the stop loss, the best stop loss should be below the low of the previous candle. But in this case, that is going very big. I mean, if we measure the stop loss here, it is coming something around more than 30 pip. But also we could use the stop loss of the current candle, but we can see that the wick of this candle basically was very small, so that was also not good stop loss. So what I would suggest in this kind of situation, we know that this is a strong level, and now if we are closing above this level, so the next candle, basically there is a pretty low probability price is going to come down. Even if the price tries to come down, this level is going to act as a support, so we can keep our stop loss below this level. So here, we can keep this stop loss somewhere around here, so it's around 15 people for stop loss. So, and in terms of the reward, this one should be our target. This one is our first target, and once we break this resistance, then this one is going to be the next target. So even if we keep it here, it's going to come like around 2.5 risk reward, and if you get this one, it is like more than, it's a 3.5 risk reward with this trade. So basically what is happening, how we are going to identify this kind of trade. So we see that, okay, the price was making higher highs and higher lows, right? The price was making higher highs and higher lows, so we were bullish. Then we got a fake out basically, or a breakout in the opposite direction of the trend. So we did not take our sell there, we waited for the candle to close back into the range in the direction of the main trend. Once we close in the direction of the main trend, we are going to take our entry in order to target the previous high of that uptrend, right? And hopefully we can create a new higher high. So that's, guys, this was a small video on how we can identify the trend as a scalper and how we should be trading them. I hope you enjoyed the video and found some value in this video. If you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.